Now question arises, where is the object created? Object is created in RAM. I should know where the object is created. I want exact memory. Then what you will do to know exact memory? To know exact memory, we just create a reference variable. How we create reference variable? With the help of class name. A1 is equal to new A with opening and closing braces. This is constructor. This is reference. This new is a keyword. ये here ये क्या है? क्लास नेम. What we learned today? Object is created on RAM. Where object is created? On RAM. But I want exact memory. Where object created in the RAM. So what we will do now? To know exact memory. To know exact memory, we just create a reference variable like this. Class name, reference variable is equal to new keyword followed by class name with opening and closing parenthesis. Here A1 is reference variable. A1 equal to new. A1 is equal to new followed by class name with opening and closing parenthesis. So here A1 yeah reference variable है. What is new keyword? New keyword sends request to the class to create an object. Once object is created, it gets the address of that object and store that into a reference variable. Many people say that this is the object. This is the object. This is not object. Nobody can see the object. Object is imaginary on RAM. Don't think object like this only. Object can be like this also on RAM. A1 is equal to new keyword followed by class name with parenthesis. A1 here, A1 is the reference variable. What does reference variable? Reference variable capable to hold only address. It can't hold a value like 10. This is a 10. This is a variable. This is int I is equal to 10. In a reference variable, these values can't be stored. The job of the reference variable is only to hold address. What a reference variable can hold? A reference variable can hold only memory address of the object. जैसे an example, class A, I created a variable is equal to 10. I created an variable and also initialize its value. This is non-static member. Non-static variable. How do we know this is non-static? Because static keyword is not if, so this is non-static variable and it is created within the class and outside the method like this. Also here we are using static keyword. So it is static variable. Static variable are created within the class and outside all the method. And what is the rule? Whenever an object is created, on RAM, only non-static member goes to the object. Again here I used new keyword. So again new keyword send request to the class, and class will generate one another object. And once object is created, only non-static member goes to the object. Here again I write new keyword. So again it sends request to the class, and class will generate one more object. So object is created. In object, what will goes? Only non-static member. So non-static member goes to the object. Static doesn't go to the object. And here A1, A2, A3. What is A1 and A2 and A3? A1, A2 and A3. Here this is a reference variable. Reference variable. And what is the job of reference variable? It holds the memory address of the object stored in it.